Dr. Saeed. Could I now ask Sri Jeffrey Erhard and Sri Steve Burdick to come up to the stage? So whether you're an expert or have never heard the full text of Sri Rudram, when you hear the voice and the power of our next two guests, you're going to be in a different world. Thank you so much. They'll be singing a few Anulakas from Sri Rudram. You need a second mic.
No, it's okay. This is fine. This is good. This is good. It doesn't need to be too loud. It's good. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya Om Namaste Rudramanyava Utota Ishave Namaha Namaste Astu Dandhane Bhahubhyamutate Namaha Yata Isha Shivatama Shivam Babuvate Danuhu Shiva Sharavya Yata Pataya no Rudramidaya Yate Rudra Shiva Tanura Gora Papakashini Tayanastanu Vashantamaya Girishanta Vichakashihi Yamishum Girishanta Haste Viparshastave Shivam Giritratham Kurumahi Gumsi Purusham Jagata Shivena Vachasa Tva Girishacha Vadamasi Yatha Nasarvamidjagayashmagum Sumana Asata Adya Vochadadi Bhakta Pratamo Devyo Bishaka Ahiguscha Sarvaan Jambayant Sarva Ashayatu Danyaha Asoyastamro Arula Utabhabrus Sumangalaha Ye Chemagum Rudra Abito Dikshushrata Sahasrasho Veshagum Heda Imahe Asoyo Vasarpati Nilagrivo Vilohitaha Uthainam Gopa Adrishan Adrishan Udaharyaha Uthainam Vishwa Bhutani Sadrishto Mridayatinaha Namo Astu Nilaghrivaya Sahasrakshaya Milushe Athoye Asya Sattva Nohantebhyo Karannamaha Pramunchadanvanastumupayoratni Yorjyam Yascha Tehasta Ishabah Parata Bhagavovapa Avadatyadannustugum Sahasrakshashadeshude Nishirya Shalya Namuka Shivona Sumana Bhava Vijjandanukra Pardino Vishalyo Banabhagum Uta Aneshan Nasyeshava Abhurasya Nishangatihi Yate Hetirmedushtamahasте Babuvate Danuhu Tayasman Vishwatastvama Yakshmaya Paribhuja Namaste Astvayudhaya Nathadaya Drishnave Ubhabhyamutate Namo Bahubhyam Dhavadandvane Pariphetanvano Hetirasman Vrunaktu Vishwataha Athoya Ishudistavare Asman Nidehitam Namaste Astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trayambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagni Khalaya Khalagni Rudraya Nilakandaya Mrityunjayaya Sarveshwaraya Sadashivaya Sriman Mahadevaya Namaha Om Shanti 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 Shancha me Mayascha me Priyancha me Nukamascha me Kamascha me Saumanasascha me Bhadramcha me Shreyascha me Vasyascha me Yashascha me Bhagascha me Dravinamcha me Yantacha me Dhartacha me Kshemascha me Dhritischa me Vishwamcha me Mahascha me Sambitcha me Jnatramcha me Suscha me Prasuscha me Sirancha me Layascha Maratancha me Mritancha me Yakshmancha me Namayatcha me Jivatuscha me Dirghayutvancha me Namirtrancha me Payancha me Sugamcha me Shayanamcha me Sushacha me Sudinamcha me Om Shanti 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 Asato ma Sadgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti